bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
Hello everybody. Oh my gosh, we're getting ready for a party. So we have 2 birthday parties today. We've got Colene is turning 60 something and Dori is turning 80 something. So we are all outside. Oh, I keep losing you guys. We're all outside putting stuff up. I've got bad lighting here, sorry. Oh, there we go. It's a little hot. It's in the high 80s. I just pulled a burrito casserole out of the oven. I've got cornbread and I've got some salad. Aja's out here. Jeff, we're just waiting. We've got Amy put a tent up for us. Keep us cool in the shade. Aj just put her awning out. We've got a lot of tables going on here. Should be fun. Rocking and rolling.
I forgot to show the supervisor.
Where's the supervisor?
Right there on the grass.
Oh, Moo.
Moo, she almost forgot the supervisor. The most important job ever.
Moo is supervising. Yes, she is. Kellogg is second supervisor.
No, he's on like a 20-hour lunch break.
20-hour lunch break. So anyways, we decided to do it early so we can kind of end early so we don't disturb our neighbors. But I think we're going to invite a few neighbors over too for potluck. One of the birthday girls has arrived. Dori, happy birthday.
Homemade pizza.
All right. We've got lots of food going on here, and more to come. All right, we are waiting on one more person to come up, but I think we're going to go ahead and start because we've had the food out for a little bit. So, number 1 birthday girl, and number 2 birthday girl. Dig in, everybody. Gosh, we've got so much food. We've got, let's see, I did the enchilada. There's some rice, veggies, salads. Mike made some chicken wings. And there's some meat coming. And oh, we always have so much food. Always good. Alright, so we've got birthday gifts for both the girls. And then I got Colleen a chocolate cake. And I got Dori a special cake that's it's lactose-free frosting. And then they goofed on her name, so I just put a candle in there. But aren't they cute? And then of course we've got the little chocolates. Carrot cake, chocolate. Yummy. We have quite the crew here.
I still hear a little.
All right, the ladies are gonna open presents. Hey. Okay.
Is Ellie coming?
All right, here's Dori's and yours.
Oh,
Woo! Oh,
beautiful.
Fancy.
Nice.
Oh, oh, that's like
And
Aja's. Cute.
That is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, there's a card in the front, Dori.
You're supposed to open the card first.
Special occasions every day.
On special occasions, every day or so.
Every day or so.
Every day or so.
Yeah, I know.
The last shot out of my last bottle last night.
Tennessee whiskey.
Hey.
That's so cute.
I got plain Jack.
So, yours is a little bit smaller than Dori's just because you got an extra little gift.
Oh. Thank you.
So it came? Yes.
What's this?
looks like fun.
Is it heads? Do I have to? For her vehicle.
What'd you say? Is it
heads for your
What they said is it depends.
No.
That would have been bad.
No, that was
Look at Lucky. Ooh. What is this?
Look.
Down
oh my God.
Down in front.
Now you can have as much as you want to drink and you'll be protected.
You will never hurt yourself again. You have to wear it. You have to put it on.
Love it.
Oh shit.
You have to put it on.
You do. We got her a sumo suit because Colleen trips a little bit once in a while. This here.
That plugs in.
Okay, this right here. This goes on the inside, though, I think. This goes on the inside, and then it twists right here.
It looked like it was sucking. It felt like it was.
It was.
Is it flowing? Okay, it's sucking. Oh, you gotta flip the thing? Oh, look.
Oh.
Flip them over, maybe?
Now you'll always be safe, Colleen.
Yeah, yeah.
I gotta make sure I put this on and get it blown up before I drink, right?
We need to send a picture to Keely.
Because she said that too. She goes, Mom, you need bubble wrap.
I tried to get you a bubble wrap suit, but they come from the UK, and they wouldn't have been. They don't even deliver to Havasu. So this was the next best thing. There is a bubble wrap suit.
Oh, it's working now. Wow.
Donnie, where's Donnie? Do you see what I got, Colleen? Come here.
Let's make way. Let him walk out there.
I can't put my arms.
All right, hang on.
I can't put my arms down.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's dance.
Oh, don't bite that. Don't bite that. She'll explode.
I'm safe now.
All the dogs are
Gonna dance.
Get low, get Thank you. All right, let me get a picture of you for your daughter.
Ready?
Aja, start.
Are we doing it?
Yeah, happy birthday.
Okay, everybody.
We're going to do it to Dori first.
Okay, Dory's first, and she's the oldest. No offense. Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dory. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Okay, come blow out your candle.
Make a wish.
Make a
You should at least
wish.
had two on there.
Well,
Yay!
woo! Yay!
I stuck my elbow in the chocolate.
Okay.
But
Oh, and happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Colleen. Happy birthday to you.
and many more. Hope you live a million years. A million beers. Get a plaster, you fast girl. Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Slow down, make a wish.
Yay!
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, fun. So we brought some food over to our neighbors. They've been working on their truck for quite a while. They brought the birthday girls over some champagne.
One door is all candles, the other
Very nice. Don't either. Shoot.
Uh-oh, you want me to grab you one?
No, I don't do champagne.
to our birthday.
But thank you very much.
Yeah. La, 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 la.
Okay, now we're dress rehearsal's over. Now this is for all the money.
You ready?
And action.
To our birthday girls.
Birthday
Cheers. May the skin, guys. May the skin of your ass never fit over the head of a banjo.
What?
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Cheers, Colleen.
That'd be a serious trouble.
Cheers, girlfriend. Cheers. Cheers, Dori.
Priceless.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
Cheers. Over the top.
Cheers. Love you.
Love you guys. Thank you so much.
Cheers. Cheers.
It's a special birthday. Now turn up the music and let the party begin.
You got that, Karen?
We got till 10 o'clock, so
That's it. 10 o'clock and quiet time.
Oh, 3 hours? Oh, I gotta take a nap.
Oh yeah, Jakey left too. All garbage.
We have a truckload of garbage. We had some garbage left over from the party last night. So then we went around to all the campers up in Craigie Wash where we're staying.
Our friends and people we don't even know, but now we made friends.
We're going out to the landfill here in Lake Havasu to dump off all this garbage. It was kind of fun because we went around to everybody that we didn't even know and talked with some people, so it was kind of fun.
Yeah. Said, you got any garbage? What?
Yeah.
Throw it in the back of the truck.
That's what Scotty and I do after the day of the party. We get up and clean up and go to the dump.
Yeah.
We had a super fun time for Colene and Dori's birthday. That was really a special birthdays.
Yeah, yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah. And I'm going to go home and I'm going to do some cooking. It's actually the Dori and Colleen's birthday today. And Colleen had requested some cauliflower bites, so I'm going to go home and make that and make some potato salad. And then probably call it a day and relax a little bit.
Yeah, because today's their actual birthday, but the weather is supposed to just go to crap. And it's really windy right now.
Right.
And it's supposed to just get worse.
So this is the landfill that we came to and dropped Freedom off right over there.
Yep, up on the hill. Now they've moved down to make another hill.
Yep.
$14.77.
Woo, that's a bargain.
Bargain! How's your day going? Well, I can tell you got a nice smile on. That's nice. $42 a ton. I can't read it without my thing. It doesn't say how much.
Here's your glasses.
Let me see what it says. How much that weighs.
Scotty wants to know how much the truck is weighing right now.
So 7,800 pounds. So everything weighed 140 pounds.
That's how much garbage we took out?
140 pounds.
Woo! A
Yeah.
lot of garbage.
Cool. So
all right.
Basically 7,800 is what the truck weighs with us in it. Cool.
All right.
Good info.
Back to the house and relaxation and cooking.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook. And you're gonna watch something probably. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with us at the party last night, and we'll see you guys another day.
Peace out.